She called me up. We had a great conversation. So it's like, everybody that you meet that's helping you, they're actually helping you, so that's the best thing, to find people who actually are trying to help you through the process. So if you have questions, because I had a lot of questions, you got questions, they got answers. That's what you want. If you have questions, you want someone who can answer the question. So. Okay, so I heard about MSI through a realtor, actually. I had some credit challenges that I had been working on for a couple years, didn't get any results by myself. So I reached out to a friend that had bought a house, who used a realtor, and I spoke to the realtor, and he said, I got somebody to help you. So he recommended MSI Credit Solutions for me. Basically. He knew someone who actually worked the program, and they told him it was a good program to work. So,
your friend.
Right, yeah. Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, so MSI helped me by basically going in and removing everything I couldn't remove. Some things I did have to pay off, which they were able to talk down from where, say, the creditor said I had to pay this much. MSI talked them down to where I was able to pay a lower price to pay off the credit situations. And anytime I had a question, basically, they were there to answer it for me. So no matter what the question was, what's this, what's that, how do I do this, or how do I do that, I could always call and talk to someone. It was never, hey, there's, press button 1 and leave a message and all that stuff. No, I was able to talk to a real life person. So that always helps. So that's how they helped me with that. I would recommend MSI to a friend because everything is in-house. So they're going to fix your credit. They're going to give you a realtor, the loan officer. The ladies that I worked with, they went over and beyond, to help me because I had some situations. So they did everything that they could to, get my paperwork moving and get me to where I am now, get me to where I needed to be. So that's why. Yeah, you don't have to find a realtor because they give you one, because I would have never met Victor. So then your loan officers are here, everything is here. So then they gave me the people that do the inspection. Yeah, I didn't have to go find that. They was like, hey, here's a person that does inspection. Just call up and they came out the next morning. The inspector, everybody else was like, oh no, it's a week or it's 2 weeks. And I'm like, no, we can't do that. So MSI was like, hey, we got this guy right here. Call him up and see what he'll do for you. Next day, he was out there inspecting the house before I even got there. So that was great. That was great. Best thing, what I liked most was like I said, everything was here. There's no, you don't have to go and find and look for, and everybody was great. Everybody I talked to was great. I was even able to get a insurance agent. She called me up. We had a great conversation. So it's like, everybody that you meet that's helping you, they're actually helping you, so that's the best thing, to find people who actually are trying to help you through the process. So if you have questions, because I had a lot of questions, you got questions, they got answers.